Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Jasmine and today I'm teaching you not one, not two, but 3 pumpkin spice coffee drinks. Here's my list of ingredients. Feel free to take a screenshot to make your grocery trip much easier. And let's get started. And that concludes my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video, and follow me on Instagram at @jessyboo_, and don't forget to say something nice to yourself today.